Hey, look at that. It's a magnesium motor plate. It's pretty sweet. Arnie the Farmer, Beswick. Some Dan Woods action over there, if you remember that show. Messing with the Institution, one of my favorites. Oh, hey. Bad Moon. Go Man Go. And the latest project. Just got through pretty much with the back half of this thing. Different bed. Oh, hey. How about I show you the bed I took off. Short little walk out here. Got it stuffed on the car trailer. It's kind of rough. Rusted up. Beat up. Banged up. Plus it was a step side with the spare tire. So I didn't want spare tire. Had another bed. We'll do another bed. So we'll take a walk back in. Walking along. 60 feet of brick garage. And puts us back inside the old shop. Well, the part I work in anyway. So anyways, put this bed together with some fenders, bedside, some different steps. Screwed around with some paint and having a little fun. Got the whole chassis stripped in the back. A lot of scraping, wire wheeling and usual. Did the Eastwood rust converter on it. Satin black. Put in some Dan Carpenter mini tubs because I have a 4-inch narrower 9-inch in it. Sitting on some Posey springs. 3-inch lower and super sliders. So those babies work pretty good. But anyways, that's about it for the bed. The cab on this thing's pretty decent. I do have cab corners for it. It's pretty solid. Dash was uncut, which is what I really wanted. No rust above the windshield. Got some surface rust on the old headliner there. Threw an OBS seat in it already. Some spare junk that I've collected. Redid a 59 and 60 Impala wheel for it already. But like I said, this thing's actually like pretty good for what it is. Front fenders are kind of shitty on the dog legs. Got some weird little rust hole up top and a big booger on the front. So I have different front fenders. I'll keep the hood, of course. It's kind of got the old patina look to it. Little rust. In rust we trust. I don't know if we can get back a little further here. It's not a bad looking truck though, really, to be honest with you. Posey's lowering springs up front. Super sliders, 3-inch lower. Did a disc brake kit. So we got the 5 lug going. It came with an engine. Let's see if I can get this baby open one hand. So the ad said it was 350 turbo 400. Turns out it's a crappy little 307. So I'm going to try to get this running just to see if it's any good or not, really. And maybe I'll throw a blower on it or something later. I do have another engine for this thing. I don't know if you can tell, but you can't see it down there. But I drilled, it's just a spare radiator I had that I thought I would use to get this running because I got a brand new radiator for it, but I didn't really want to send what possibly could be inside that motor through the new radiator. I don't know if we can get down low enough to look at that. Oh, there we are. I drilled holes in the axle. That oil spot is like anything here. I put new oil in this thing, and it's leaking at the drain plug. So of course that's something we'll address. Same kind of deal on this fender. It's got dog legs are bad on it. I do have those, and you know, I've already ordered them. It's got the whippy springy antenna, which I thought was kind of neat. This door's, you know, pretty nice too. Not a whole lot of nothing that, you know, gray primer bleeding through. It's same kind of deal, you know, like pretty solid. There's the dog legs I already ordered. Cab corner, stainless bolt kit that I just put the bed together with. This cab corner is a little worse for the wear. Now we're back here again. Oh, I've got some 8.5 ET slots with some 275/60s on them. Put a little more rubber on the back. Same kind of deal with the crazy paint. Can't really see it. Then I do have shebang. That'll be the top end for the new motor it's going in it. Mickey Thompson cross ram, pair of 450 Hollies, Nixon air cleaners, Mickey Thompsons with Stelling's breathers, all the good stuff. Down there we have a 11-to-1 short block that needs pulled apart, cleaned up, put back together, and set of heads. If we take a walk out here, is those other fenders that I got. So these are the fenders I'm most likely using. I'm pretty sure I am using. Dog legs are still a little rough, but they're better than what's the other one. Overall, I think the fender's in better shape. No, this one, of course, we have to weld up an extra antenna hole or whatever the heck was going on there. This one's got a little booger on the front as well, but definitely not as bad as that other one. So I think this is what's going on with that. Then up top we got bumpers, we got more, you know, like the other new radiator, Michelinist, bunch of Michelinist parts for it. That's about it, man. Got the old 41 Chevy pickup here with the blown 540 in it. There's other videos of that thing. Got the Henry J with the big block 489 tunnel ram AFR heads. Hopefully get that thing on the track as soon as I figure out the battery cutoff switch, because that's throwing me for a loop here. Got the shovel head. That's a nightmare on the wiring crap. Always something with it, so I avoid working on it. T-bucket. Been around 100 years, you know. Things did thousands of freaking burnouts, I assume. There's quite a bit of videos on that as well. That's about it. Inner fender panels. And we're back here in this section of the garage that I do all the main work in. But that's about it. Back of the cab needs cleaned up. But it is, you know, short bed, big window, 57, uncut dash, deluxe heater. Pretty solid overall, you know. I'm good with it, that's for sure. Tailgate's the old blue tailgate off of the other one, off that other bed. Like I said, you know, just did all the stainless bolts everywhere, just put it all together. Had my son out here turning wrenches, which was always good. And there it is.